Hey everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making the number 8 as part of our number series. If you're interested in pairing this number with another number, then check the links in the description because I will have numbers of roughly the same size and font as this one down there. For this project, you're going to need a size G or 6 crochet hook and some size 4 medium weight acrylic yarn. To get started, go ahead and attach the yarn to your crochet hook and chain 1. From here, instead of looking at the actual stitch, we're going to be looking at this back bump area. And what you're going to want to do is place 13 double crochets inside of this back bump. Once you have your 13 double crochets in place, what we're going to do is we're just going to place a slip stitch in the top of that first double crochet. From here, go ahead and chain 2. And then going right back into that first back bump from your crochet hook, so right here, we're going to place 13 double crochets. And once you have your 13 double crochets, we're just going to place a slip stitch in the top of that first double crochet again. From here, what you're going to do is you're just going to align the two circles so that they're kind of on top of each other like that. And then wherever they align like that, you're just going to insert your crochet hook. And then you're going to grab your working yarn and you're going to pull through for a slip stitch. Just like that. Go ahead and tie off your yarn. And now you've created your 8. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.